at Etail Solutions, we're often asked the question of how are you different from Channel Advisor or Monsoon or Bright Pearl or some of the others? And a lot of that comes down to our focus. Our focus is to be the premier provider of integrated sales, supply chain, and fulfillment automation solutions for online multi-channel merchants. Now to do that, we've created the Etail Vantage platform. The Etail Vantage platform deals with sales channels like Amazon and eBay, and Sears, and multiple websites and many others. To deal with things like publishing of products, matching of products, inventory control across all of your channels and all of your listings, as well as pricing, or in the case of Amazon, competitive repricing. But we learned very quickly that that's not enough for most high-volume multi-channel merchants. So we've created tools to be able to deal with supplier integrations for catalog purposes. So bringing down information about products, about availability, about pricing, which can be then leveraged when you're publishing out to your sales channels. Or being able to do things like 100% hands-off dropship automation or high-volume cross-docking automation. Now all that's great, but if you don't have financial visibility, then you're really missing the boat. So we've created financial tools to be able to integrate with things like QuickBooks or Microsoft Dynamics GP, or if you've got your own ERP system and need us to bring in orders, we have tools to be able to do those things as well. Now we bring all of that information together then in the Etail Data Warehouse. And the Etail Data Warehouse tracks all revenues and all expenses across all channels, and we put a dashboard tool in front of that to allow you to be able to slice and dice your data and look at it from any number of different angles to be able to find out really where you're making money as a business. So we call that cross-channel automation, and it allows us to do some very powerful things for our merchants. It allows you as a merchant to be able to leverage your supplier's inventory without ever having to take possession of it in advance. So that frees up cash flow for you to invest in other growth-related activities. It also allows us to be able to protect you from bad things happening. Things like publishing of inventory out to all of your sales channels while a supplier feed is bringing in inventory. That would result in partial data on all of your sales channels, and that could be very bad. Now, Etail also deals with the 4 primary methods of fulfillment that high-volume multi-channel merchants are leveraging. So whether you are stocking your inventory and you're shipping from your own stock, whether you're a drop shipper, whether you're cross-docking, or whether you're using FBA or a third-party logistics provider, Etail has built tools to make all of those processes very efficient. So at Etail, it's not just about the sales channels. They're very important, and we get that. But it's also about driving efficiency into the rest of your business so that you can scale your business without having to incrementally add staff and increase your expenses. We've done that in a way that has allowed our merchants to experience very large amounts of growth. Our average across our entire customer base that has been here for more than a year, our average year-over-year growth is 78%. So if that's something that you're looking for and you'd like to learn more about how we can help you, by all means, give us a call. We'd love to chat with you.